How to send photos on Outlook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can send photos on Outlook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the outlook.com from the search bar and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this interface, navigate to top left corner and click on New Email. Now to send photos, again click on Insert option at the toolbar or menu bar at the top. Now again head towards your left hand side at the top corner. There is an option as Attach File, click on it. Now from here click on Browse these computers. Now from your device you have to select the photo that you want to send on Outlook. For example, I have this picture right here, then click on Open. After that, here type in your recipient's account as well. Once done, you have to click on Send option, and with that this picture will be sent. And that's how you can send photos on Outlook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.